What is the best food to lick off a tattoo? What is the best food to lick off a tattoo?
The best food to lick off a
Yeah. What is the best food to lick off a tattoo?
To what?
To lick off a tattoo. Hey y'all, it's Mary, you watching Fina Eat, and today we are at the Anime Econ 2019 in Richmond, Virginia. As you know, or if you don't know, my hubby owns a tattoo shop called Lost Tribes Tattoos. So we actually go to conventions, you know, whenever they're around. But this one's kind of special because it is the first anime tattoo convention to hit Richmond. So we here. I want to see if, you know, we can bug some people, find some interesting people. And oh, if you are a fan, you have seen my DC Expo video. And if you haven't, check it out. We did a giveaway, and I want to try to maybe do the same thing this time. So let's go see who we can find and see who we can talk to. Let's go.
I like
this one. Oh man. Alright y'all, we are here with
Anne from Batty Boutique.
My name is Rafael Rodriguez. I'm an artist at Appalachian Beard and Tattoo.
My name is Brian from Four Eyes Clothing.
My name is Kevin, and I go by House on Instagram.
I'm Jordy Ramon. Hi.
I'm Nicole Willingham. We're from Atlanta, Georgia.
Let's see. Do you watch anime?
I do.
Alright, what's your favorite show?
Alright, I gotta admit, I'm kind of old school. I adore Sailor Moon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't mean to sound cliche, but Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball?
You gotta go with Dragon Ball.
Super old school with it, so I'm like a Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball, you know, that's my thing.
Okay, alright. Do you watch anime?
Of course.
Alright, what's your favorite show?
Right now it's Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer? Why is that your favorite show right now?
I think the art style of it is like really good. It reminds me a lot of like Japanese traditional tattoos.
Yeah.
And the story's really good. The main girl is really cute and adorable.
Okay.
And it's kind of badass.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to check it out. You watch anime? Right? What's your favorite show?
Of all time? Probably Hunter x Hunter.
Alright.
My favorite.
So, alright, what's your favorite show?
Right now I'm going with Dororo.
Okay, what do you like about it?
I don't know, man. It's just a fresh take on something that came out a long time ago. So,
Do you guys have any anime tattoos?
I do. I have a Ditto, and I have a Sailor Neptune one. This is actually from Bunny Machine. She is the whole mind behind this convention.
Oh,
so,
okay,
yeah.
awesome. Or what's the weirdest food you've ever eaten?
Weirdest food I've ever eaten? I don't know. Really depends. I mean, I've eaten cow tongue, shark, stuff like that.
Oh, that's fair.
I don't think that's too exotic, is it?
Yeah. Have you tattooed a lot of food items?
I think like in the early 2000s, it was pretty popular for girls to get like cupcakes and shit like that.
Yeah.
But not in a while.
Have you ever tattooed any food?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of berries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Anything like weird?
Weird food.
Yeah.
I did a pizza dagger.
Oh, okay.
It was like a dagger, but instead of a blade, it was a slice of pizza.
Oh, that's
kind of rad.
Yeah. What is the best food to lick off a tattoo?
Like off a tattoo?
Uh-huh. The best food to lick off a tattoo.
Off of a tattoo?
A heel tattoo.
Okay, I was gonna get to that.
Yes, a heel.
I was a little grossed out at first.
To lick off a tattoo.
What's the best food to lick off a tattoo?
That's a good question. A heel tattoo or a healing tattoo?
A healed tattoo. You don't. A healed, yes.
Full disclosure, you don't lick a healing tattoo. Like, just in
Please
case.
don't. Yeah. Alright, what's the best food to lick off a tattoo?
The best food to lick off. Well, first of all, we gotta make sure that the tattoo is fully healed.
Fully healed, right?
I don't know. Maybe some whipped cream.
I don't know. I didn't catch up on anything.
That's funny.
I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm so much with mixing food and fucking.
Yeah.
Like I don't know if that's the best idea.
Stuff, right?
Yeah.
A healed tattoo. Just, not a fresh one. A healed one.
What about teriyaki sauce?
Teriyaki sauce? That was a new one. I've never tried that one. If you had to get a food tattoo, what food would you get?
I would get a sushi roll.
A sushi roll?
Some type of sushi.
Yeah, you like sushi that much?
Sushi's pretty good.
If you had to get a food tattoo, what food would it be?
Potato.
A potato?
I'll eat potato with literally anything.
Yep.
Like, I feel like I need a potato tattoo. I am a potato.
I love potatoes too. All ways, shapes, and
Yeah,
forms.
any kind. I don't care. Give me a tug,
Yep.
give me a fry, whatever.
Right, I'm with it. Like, what food would it be?
A grapefruit.
A grapefruit?
Yep.
Why a grapefruit? Did
I don't
you
know,
love them
they're
that
good.
much? Yeah?
Yep.
Do you put sugar on yours?
Nope.
No, just straight grapefruit.
Yep.
Okay. Well, thank you. Okay, Expo food rundown. Hot dogs, hamburgers, chicken fingers, french fries, chips, basic stuff, nothing fancy. All right, we're gonna do a taste test, limp test. Good to go. All right. Get a couple, see what it look like. Finna eat this, y'all. Fries pass the test. All right, we're gonna move on to the. I'm gonna do another one. Pass the test with flying colors. Hot dog. Off break. Off break, y'all. Not a good look. Hard, crunchy bread. Okay. I don't know if it's old or if it's toasted, but we're gonna find out. Hold on. Finna eat this. I think the bread is old. That's that verdict. But fries are good. So, yeah, Expo food. Check it out or don't check it out. You're not missing nothing. Alright, everybody, we are back from the Expo and I had a great time. But unfortunately, we didn't get to stay for as long as we wanted to, as long as we planned on staying. So I didn't get to pick up something for the giveaway. But I got something coming in the mail anyway, and I'd rather give that away for real. So we're just gonna wait for that. But that means that you need to subscribe and follow so you know when and where and what to look for the giveaway. So do all that, check me out, and I'll see y'all next time.